Hello friends. Hello friends. Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to discuss about the intraday scanner. So new web-based application which are recently created. So how it works and how it today scan those stocks that we are going to discuss. And this is what the only a stock option scanner which we can filter out the stock options. So here I'm just going to explain how we build the scanner and how it is working. And today's scenario we are going to discuss here. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, so this is what today's scenario. So where we are checking that at the end of the market, and how it works. It is working based on the open price, like 9-8 pre-open close. The open based on the open price, it will be select a ATM strikes both in a call side as well as put side. So like all the F4 list, it will be finding out the ATM strike price based on the open pre-open, that is exactly the open for the day. So based on the open, we are selecting the strike price both the sides, like call side as well as put side. This is a scanner which required option data. We are using API data from some sources, and that is working well also. Okay, so it is filtering the call side as well as put side. So we have the strike, the particular stock's name along with that open price. So these are all the predefined, and the LTP is a live price and the change percentage. So the default sorting by this intraday scanner is based on the change in the price. Okay, that particular strike price what we selected in the pre-open basis, that particular strike price, how much percentage which increased from the previous day close. So based on that, it is filtering out the list, and this is the default filter too. And in next we have a volume filter. We can sort and we can find it out also. The third one is number of contract. So both the sides, price, volume and number of contract. So while developing the scanner, we are trying to find one or two intraday opportunity. That is what the main logic which we are created the scanner, and not to find trade all the things. And someone who asking, it is an end of the day, how we can find out some good opportunities in the morning. Okay, so today market opens with positive. So I will be showing you the screenshot of today's at 9:30. Some of my students who are using the same even very faster in like breakouts like 5 minutes. This is not providing you any buy sell tips. This is telling you what is happening in the overall market. So an example, 9:15 to 9:20 breakout, someone who are using, someone using 9:15 to 9:30 breakout, someone these are all the strategies they build it out according to their fast execution. They maybe go for 5 minutes breakout and 15 minutes. Someone using indicator like super trend, like awesome oscillator. So these are all the methods where you can apply in the selected stocks. So that is what the logic which you are going to find with that. So I will be showing you today's morning screenshot. First of all, one of my investors were asking about this, so I taken out. Fortunately, we have this data at 9:30. It was taken by the mobile. Okay, this scanner you can use it either mobile or anywhere. Okay, so exactly 9:30 45 seconds. So these are all the list. So where you can see in the morning the list, and evening what are the stocks occupying the top places. Okay, let me compare grasping. Just a second. As per the morning list, so morning we seen there is a Grasim at the fourth place at 9:30, that is occupying the top one at closing. So maybe in the morning 67 and closing 145, that option is performing well. And second one, Angel one 10.45, still it is on the third place and closing with 12.85. This one fourth place from 7.86 to 7.8. This may be reduced, but you can look at the percentage change. It takes because it is filtering out the top percentage. Okay, so this one is reduced 150 from 100 60 sorry 7.8, 7.86. This is also increased, sorry. Okay, and the Hyundai is there at the end of the day. Maybe it is not in the morning, so maybe it came into the some point later also. And one more stock which I seen in the morning, DMOT available, and that was not in the list. Maybe it was down. And what would be TA India also not be there, and Indigo is still there. Almost morning is 65 and 122. So in the top list, so we can easily find out one or two opportunities. So that is what the main thing, and then you can utilize your strategy, any of the strategy which you are using for the day trading. So maybe you may have a lot of strategy, but this scanner will help you to find opportunities only, and where it is happening a good volume, and which strike price is increasing. That filter which we can easily identify with the scanner. So first let me check with this 930 scanner DMAT. Okay, so 4200, that in the 5 to 5 minutes basis it given you breakout and it went higher. But if you are looking at a 15 minutes breakout, so it is a huge stop, almost 54%. We are not looking at this. And also if anyone who are using an indicator like super trend, and that is not giving you any buy signal after 9:30, so there is no buy signal, so maybe not an opportunity. And the second one which seen the SCAM 147. One capital. Okay, so you can look at this. Maybe in the first 15 minutes breakout and 5 minutes breakout, both are the same at 8.7, and from that it went to 11, and then there is a one more buy opportunity. But if you are looking at the liquidity, that is not a good liquid one. Okay, so then Angel 1 330. So this you can easily filter this one from the beginning, the 5 minutes breakout or even 15 minutes breakout. That was a good move on today. And one more thing which you have seen, Grasin 3020. That should be that. This is also very perfect one, and it was keep on rallying, and but the breakout which is happening here only. So almost 15 minutes breakout, 5 minute breakout, both at the same time, and that is also giving you such a good move. And Indigo 4300. That is also 5 minutes breakout and 15 minutes breakout at both the same time, and still it is moving higher. So this scanner is built for finding one or two opportunities for an intraday. Someone who are asking at the end of the day, you are making videos, so how do we understand? Because it's a real-time scanner, it is auto updating, and some of the stocks may not be available in the morning, like Hyundai 18. So in this list you cannot able to see the Hyundai, but at the end of the day it came, so maybe volume can be happened in middle of the day, so 1800. You 1008. So if I want to show you the volume, so morning maybe not there, but cumulative volume maybe at this point it may be in the scanner. So while if you are selecting the stock options, liquidity also very important, and you can also consider the volume, how much volume is happening in the morning itself. So these are all some good liquid. So if we are even it increase without a good volume, so simply ignore. So for example, this one only 33 contracts are traded. Okay, so even it increased 90, but JSW Energy, so look at the volume. So let me consider these two, how it is a good liquid or not. 3000. Look at this, the liquidity issue, because the nothing more contract is traded. But the next one, JS Energy 545. Look at this, but whether it is not giving you 5 minutes breakout or even a 15 minutes breakout, but it's a huge gap. So still it was trading very liquid. If you find any opportunity, we can try here. So this is about our intraday scanner which are newly created, and as per the overall market condition, either a put side or a call side, we can filter, and we can also filter by volume, less volume to high volume or high volume to less volume. So in this case, most of the index and very low value stocks would be always high volume. Okay, so but price percentage along with the volume and number of contract, that would be a great idea to find an options for intraday how it is performing. So that is the base thing. And if anyone were required to the scanner, we will be providing a lifetime access, one-time charges. If you are more detail about the scanner, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.